Okay, yeah. So it's one of the definite cool things about living in downtown Ogden. It's like for me to go on a hike, like it's like almost a half day hike just to get to the mountain. To then the hike begins, But so like what I end up doing, an easier, more realistic way to get a nature experience in is just to get on my bike and drive straight from my apartment to this area. There's a lake over there. This is a river. There's a lake and a river within like a 20-minute bike ride from my apartment. So that's really cool. The trail's like up there, and I just hop down here. I wanted to get a good shot of the river. See, isn't that beautiful?